Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and today I have a very exciting product. This is the all new Godox AK-R21, and as you guys can see, this is a flash head modification. So let me show you the product. So yes, this is how it looks, and there is a retractable lens. You can focus your projection, and you have this. This is the projection you are going to project with your light, and Godox is providing a AKs pack which includes beautiful projections, beautiful background, beautiful designs, what I can say, and not just one or two. This is a pack of 16, so you can create amazing backgrounds with it. And for product photographers and portrait photographers, I think this is the best option. Now let me show you how you can use it. Okay, so now let me show you how the AKr21 system actually works. So I have installed the AKr21 on my V1 flash, and it's synced with the X1 trigger, and this is our product. So this is the subject, and as you guys can see, this is a very blank canvas. And yes, as the main light we are using the Godox SL60. So this is a continuous light, and here we have a flashlight, and this is how we gonna create the magic. So this is the system, and this is the product, and as you guys can see, this is a very blank shot. So yeah, it's not looking that much good, but as we are using the AKr20 system, if I take the shot, it looks something like this. Okay, so now let me show you all the images I have created with this AKr21 system. Also, this image is also shot with this AKr21 system, and let me show you the samples. So as you guys can see, this AKr21 flash head mount system is really good, and also this is a very cool gadget to spice up your product and portrait. So I can easily recommend it to anyone, and the price point is also really good. Like the Godox AKr21 system is available between 7 to 8K, and the AKs pack, which includes 60 different designs. From abstract to space, from landscape, and so much more, is just 500. So when you buy this packet, you have this basically, and which is really easy to use and is capable of creating some beautiful shots. As I have shown you that I have created these images just in one day, so I really like this system, and as a product photographer myself, I am gonna continue using it. And you guys can also see my images on my Instagram and anywhere else. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question regarding the Godox AKr21 system, just let me know in the comment section down below, and see you guys in the next one. Till then,